Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 118 scale video. It's been a while since I posted 118s, but that's only because I, up till now, had other scale themed videos to do, and I have run out of this stuff. Like I have no 143s planned. I have two cars that have been ordered, but they haven't still arrived. No 164 scale stuff, so that would be themed also. I could do a solo video on. So then I go back to my collection and see what I have not filmed. So in today's video we have an Auto World not from an Auto World made with Earl Collectibles, I think, American Muscle. The 1971 Baldwin Motion Vega. So it's a Chevy Vega. See, 118 scale. This is a very cool car. Has everything opens: the back, front, side, steering wheels. Has a very crazy modified back. Not crazy, but it's like lifted and everything. Here's some other stuff you can find in this like collection or something. The date on this thing's release is 2014, I think. Let me quickly flip it over. Yeah, 2014. I got this model in the Norwegian Oslo Motor Show that happens once a year at the last weekend of October. There's usually sellers there that sell 118 scales and other scales also. Back then, I collected only 118 scales, but of course, eventually I ran out of space. So right now, that's why these cars are showing them in boxes, because they've been stored in boxes until I get a bigger apartment or I get a house or something in the future. I don't know, but when that happens, then these guys are gonna get displayed properly. But for now, in Norway they were displayed actually, but like I said, I was collecting only 118, so I didn't get them like so often, and so I would go to these like car shows and stuff like that, and I could see sometimes sellers who sell 118. So yeah, that was that. Right now it's a little bit more difficult since I collect 143 and 164. So yeah, let's get into this. Enough of that. Let's get it out of the box and let's show it off. Like if I would have to like decide what company I would go for to collect, maybe only would be definitely Auto Worlds, because I have never been disappointed on their cars. I'm not gonna fully pull this out. It comes in this like plastic case, like inner casing or whatever it's called, so don't have to deal with screws and stuff. So I'll just put that away for now. So here's the car itself. It is very like modified. He has like, I think these are Kraggers, right? I don't know if it says on the rim. It's too small for the camera to pick it up, but I think they're, yeah, I don't know. I think they're Kraggers. Yeah, I think that's what it says in there. It's very hard. Like my camera doesn't pick up that small. Yeah, it says Kragger. Okay, so these are Kragger wheels. So I was right. Good to know that. So here's the back. SM Kansas Super July 71. Yeah. So this thing is heavily like modified. The back's all lifted. It has like these chunky drag wheels for the back, so it's not stock at all. The exhaust coming straight out the sides, not from to the back. I don't even know where the original car. I think it had just a one pipe going to the back. I think, I'm not fully sure. Maybe it had two. Like I said, I haven't even seen a Vega in real life, so But I definitely loved how it looked when I saw this thing as a model, so it's just like I had to get it. As you can see, it has steerable wheels. Not the best steerable wheels though. This way they won't pop back for some reason. You can see that the steering wheel does move when you turn the wheels. They are rubber. This one's more of a hard rubber in the back, but it's still rubber. You can see it rolls and everything. There's your details for the base. It's interesting how the gas tank is a little bit to the side. Don't remember what that is. Maybe there's a spare wheel in there. I'm not sure. We'll see that when we get to open it. I mean, more up. Got lens details, everything, all the works. You have even this. I think that's like the supercharger gauge or something. Somebody can tell me that, because I'm not fully sure. We don't see these things in my country at all, so it's a modified thing, of course. Okay, the hood opens in reverse for this one. There's your engine, looking very nice. It says motion on it. It's very hard to show it off because since the hood opens in the other way. It does stay open on its own. It's just it's very loose. Like you can hear it's metal, so. But I do think the details are very good. You can see through the car. It's not like a closed bottom. So that's that. Then the doors. There's no glass in here. As you can see, I can put my finger through it, but it does make it easier for me to open the doors. This one's a little bit tighter than the other one. I keep forgetting I'm filming a bigger car and just keep putting the car too close. There's some of the interior. You can also put the seat back. I think you can put both of the seats back, yeah. So you can get your passengers into the back. So some inside details, you can see everything in there. Got some paneling going on in the doors. So let's close the doors. And now for the back. So it's a hatch, it opens fully up. It's very dark, you can see. So whatever this thing is here, like this bump, I can't tell you because it's closed. My camera really doesn't like big models. It's pretty. I have to keep it away because as soon as I get it too close, it just goes weirdly blurry. So yeah, it's very cool that the entire back opens. Yeah, that's all I can say about this. It's a roll test. Well, I already know that it rolls, but you might not. Let's straighten out the wheels a little bit. So as you can see, it rolls very, very well. So there you have it, guys. The Chevy Vega Baldwin Motion Vega. Sorry. But still, it's a Vega. It's a Chevy Vega, and it looks awesome. Super awesome. So tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.